Hey, it's Tom ZEEB with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk about how rejecting sellers can actually increase your revenue. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. I was on a coaching call with one of my implementation bootcamp students the other day, and an interesting scenario came up. I realized that this student is spending an enormous amount of time with every single seller that they talk to. And most of these sellers, they don't have a snowball's chance of becoming a deal. They're flat out wasting time talking to people who aren't really properly motivated, or who don't have any equity in the property, or who are tire kickers, and nothing's ever going to happen. So what I was trying to get this student to do was to move faster, to reject people faster, to stop trying to make lemonade out of lemons. Sometimes you have to accept that the motivated seller you're dealing with, the deal that you think you're putting together, you're not going to make lemonade out of it. It's just a lemon. And if something's no good, then you need to quit it, stop it, and move on fast, because you're going to actually lose money if you waste all of your time talking to people who aren't properly motivated sellers, or who have no equity, or who aren't really ready, willing, and able to work with you right now. You need to move on from those people fast. You need to next them fast. Say next and move on, because otherwise you're going to stay stuck and you're going to slow down your pace. You're going to miss out on the opportunity to move along and talk to people who are actually interested in what you have to offer, who are actually motivated to take your low offer for cash, or to take your offer on terms. You're going to miss out on all that because you're wasting time with the people who nothing's going to happen. So if you want to increase your revenue, you need to move ahead faster and get rid of potential sellers fast who are not motivated. So if someone's not motivated, you need to go, hey, that's it, move on. Refer them over to an agent, refer them somewhere else, or just say, no thanks, this isn't going to work, and send them on their way. When you do that, you'll actually see your revenue going up, because you'll be moving ahead to the deals that are actually going to work. You'll be moving ahead to that point quicker. If you'd like to learn how to quickly and accurately analyze leads, then attend my upcoming 3-day Rapid Cash Generator Implementation Bootcamp. I'll teach you my framework so that you only spend time on leads that make sense, and you stop wasting time on leads that have no potential. Go to TractionRealEstateMentors.com and click on the link for Implementation Bootcamp to get signed up today. That's the tip for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and click like on this video and share it with others. I'd love to meet more great people just like you. For TractionRealEstateMentors.com, it's Tom ZEEB. I'll talk to you later.